There are places you don't really notice until you step inside. At first, it feels simple, just a neighborhood market. But then you start to look a little closer. And the sausage, you can tell right away, this isn't mass-produced. Rows of fresh cuts laid out with a kind of care you don't always see anymore. Beef, pork, chicken, not packaged for a shelf somewhere, but prepared right here. The color, the texture, it all looks the way it's supposed to. There's a difference you can see, and probably taste. Places like this aren't built for speed. They're built on routine and doing things the same way over time. You're not just picking something off a shelf. You're choosing exactly what you want. And that changes the experience more than you'd expect. It feels a little more direct, a little more connected to where your food comes from. You can lose the processed foods. This meat market delivers completely organic, the best thing you can do for mealtime and your body.